Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your workflow from Airtable to Softr, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current Airtable workflow. Identify the tables and bases you are using regularly. Take note of the fields, views, and any automation in place. Export your Airtable data by opening the base you want to transfer. Click on the View menu and select Download CSV. Choose the tables you wish to export and download them to your computer. Next, log into your Softr account or create a new one if necessary. Once inside Softr, navigate to the Data section of your dashboard. Click on Add New Data Source and select CSV. Upload the CSV files you exported from Airtable. After the upload completes, review the imported data for accuracy. Now, you need to set up your Softr application. Choose a template that fits your project or start from scratch. Customize the structure of your Softr app to align with your Airtable data. Use the data blocks to display the information from your imported CSV. Connect the appropriate data source to each block for seamless integration. Next, configure any necessary functionality like filtering or sorting. If you add automations in Airtable, explore Softr's built-in workflow options. Utilize Softr's integration features to connect with other tools you already use. Test the application thoroughly to ensure everything works as expected. Finally, launch your Softr application and monitor its performance. Make adjustments as needed based on user feedback. With these steps, your workflow should now be fully transitioned from Airtable to Softr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.